Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install sport applications to your Android TV device without downloader. This is very simple. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So in this video, I'm using my Android TV box called Sling TV, and if you don't have a TV box, if you are using a smart TV that doesn't allow you to download applications, then you might want to get a TV box. This TV box is currently on a Black Friday discount. This is the Black Friday period. I can check it out. Just click the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to the page of the Sling TV box, and you'll see many reasons why you should get the Sling TV box. But anyway, after getting it, this is how to download sport applications without downloader. All you need to do is to use this application called APK Time. If you don't know how to get APK Time to your Android TV device without downloader, check the description of this video. There is a link I've added that's going to help you to get APK Time without downloader. So after getting APK Time, all you need to do is to go ahead and launch it, and then come down to the option that says sports. There's a category here that says sports, and here's it over here. So there is sports and there is live. All of them are going to give you sport applications. So here's it down here. Just come over to it and launch it, and you're going to see lots of sports applications. I am going to be blurring this, so please uh, bear with me. So all of these are sport applications that you can download and install to your Android TV and start using. If you found the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.